In this video, we're talking about one of the most important elements of your landing page, the call to action, or CTA for short. Now here's the deal, you can have a beautifully designed page, great content, awesome visuals, but if you don't tell people what to do next, they might scroll away and forget all about it. That's where the CTA section comes in. It's your moment to say, hey, this is what I want you to do, whether that's enrolling in a course, joining your email list, or checking out a special offer. The CTA makes that next step super clear. The CTA section is really simple to set up, and that's a good thing. First, log into your course platform and click on the Page Builder tab. Then click on the landing page you want to edit. Locate the Call to Action section under Page Settings and click on it. If it's not in the list of sections, click Add New Section and click on Call to Action. You can either create your CTA from scratch or generate one with the AI assistant. Under Headings, type in the title and subtitle. The heading is where you grab attention, something like, Join the Sushi Adventure. Join 10,000 plus students already learning with us. Start your journey today risk-free. Choose the colors for your title and subtitle according to your brand colors. Under Media, upload an image or video. You can update an image directly or use the AI assistant to generate one. The choice is yours. You can then go ahead and set the levels for the blending, normal, opacity, blur, grayscale, and contrast. Scroll down to Benefits and type in what your students will gain from clicking on the CTA button. You can type in convincing words like 30-day free trial, personalized onboarding, access to all features. Please note that you can choose to display or hide the benefits. Scroll down to Benefits icon and choose an icon type for your list of benefits. You can also choose a color type and location for it. You can also choose not to use the list icon or use it. Next, edit the button. You can use this to highlight an important detail, like a 30-day guarantee. Click on Edit this item to change the text, like Discover More Insights or View Course, and paste in the URL of your course sales page. You can also tweak the background and border colors to match your brand. Note that you can choose to add more than one button. Change the color of the subtext and use the AI Improve button to improve your text. Hop over to the Design tab to customize the layout. You can customize the block style, text alignment, image alignment, all under Layout. And under Appearance, you can set the Benefits background color, and background image. You can even upload an image as your background or use the AI assistant to generate one. Click Save once you're done. At this stage, your CTA should look similar to this. Here's a nice touch. As you make these changes, the updates show live on the right-hand side of your screen, so you always see exactly how it'll look to your audience. Pro tip, place your CTA strategically, after the benefits section, after testimonials, or right at the end of your page, anywhere it makes sense to prompt action. And yes, you can add more than one CTA section if you want to. The key here is clarity. Tell people exactly what to do, why it matters, and make it easy for them to click. All right, that's it for the call to action section. See you in the next video.